Alright guys, so we're here at the Ontario junkyard. I'm here in the Inland Empire today, and I'm just here with my brother looking for parts. And so I'm pretty happy. Got this, hold on. Got this pocket door, which I broke on the other one. Hopefully it's like $3. Toying with the idea of this pocket right here, this SE300 pocket, a cup holder. I'm trying to figure out what I can do with it. I might not even get it. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get it, but if I could figure out, like, it probably could sit inside our actual little pocket for the 86. So I'm thinking maybe I'll try to use that. I don't know. Let's see how much it is. And then what I'm excited about is picked up this out of like a 2008 or something, Accord coupe or Civic coupe. I forgot what it was, but this is it. Cup holder. Thinking about maybe fabricating something, a metal piece that actually looks good, and have these like cup holders work correctly. So I know for sure I'm gonna purchase this. So stay tuned, and hopefully we'll be able to get some cool DIYs in the future. Right now I'm in an Avalon, and I want to get the harness for the Kenwood stereo just because I need it for my other car. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, so I couldn't find anything else. I decided not to get that little pocket holder. I'm still gonna get these two things. My brother found some really nice visors for a 2001 Civic for my dad's car, and I'm going through all these. I mean, there are less and less Toyotas nowadays, so whatever old Toyota, I'm just going through and like trying to find something I can use for like universally used for my Corolla. It's pretty nice today. It's a nice day today. It's pretty clean in here. Lots of nice Civics, lots of Civics. If you guys need Civic parts, Ontario, pick a part. That's the place to be. All right. Alright, so purchased this little door, Camry door, because the original one that came with it broke right there. Everything just fell off. And so this little pocket has been, this little Camry pocket has been way more than it was worth, but I'm already too deep in it to abandon the idea. It's working now. Working good again. There we go. Door's working good again. All it is a pin on this side, pin here, and same pin here. But then it has this like spring mechanism to flip it, to have pressure on it to keep it closed. I mean, to give the pressure to close it and open it up again. So this is what broke. The little connector piece down here broke last time. So I don't know why it wouldn't work anymore, but yeah, so you kind of broke off right there. Anyways, super ugly, but I think I'll fix it later. Like I said earlier, it came to me already all cut up, so we'll see. We're gonna do the rest of the install for these right here. The first one's in. I have to actually pull these out, which is a pain, and then install these. My beautiful new ones. Alright guys, so here it is. All done. OEM type style pins. Retaining pins. These were a pain to take off. If I had a panel puller, it would be a lot easier, but here they are in all its glory. They actually fit the hole, the size of it. See here, they fit within the actual hole itself. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Got that pocket fixed and these little retaining pins in. Hope you guys enjoyed that. You probably get these on one of the guys who follows my Instagram said that you can get them on Amazon for really cheap. So I'm not sure. I got these here in San Diego at a specialty fastener shop, and they charged me a lot. But it was an impulse buy. I needed them and I wanted them, and I don't regret buying them. But do a little research. Get yourself really cheap stuff. And I already finished the other side, so pretty happy about that. Everything's coming together. If you follow my videos, I did this, did that, clean, fixed these, installed those, fixed the seat belts, installed this crappy spin turn knob, installed the radio, etc, etc. Yeah, man, little by little things are coming together. Cool. Thanks for watching.